If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but certainly helps our channel. After a high-speed train journey from Madrid to Malaga, we found our accommodation. The room bordered the old city, enabling us to walk to every local attraction. Mercado Central de Atarazanas is a fresh food market in the old town. Vibrant, colourful and noisy, it is a must-see. Look at that. We're in a tapas shop, sort of, kind of. A wonderful little place. It's got little piggies on the wall over there. Baskets, you can buy all sorts of wonderful things. What a place. And here's Jenny drinking wine, as usual. On the beaches of Malaga. Main one near the cruise terminal. Sand looks a bit like dirt, but still, looks like a nice beach.
Here we are at a Roman amphitheatre. With the palace behind it. We're going to walk up there tomorrow. And down here. Beautiful jacarandas. Beautiful day today. This is a big square area.
The Roman amphitheatre sits below the Alcazar and Castillo. It contains a museum with impressive actors' masks amongst other artefacts.
The squares, but full of lovely jacarandas and lots of places to eat. And we've got the exhibition, getting ready for the exhibition. Expo 2027. So the sun's in a rotten spot for that bit.
No visit to Malaga could be complete without a visit to the Pablo Picasso Museum. Born in the city in 1881, Picasso needs no introduction. The museum holds various pieces of his art, sculpture and ceramics. Cost is €8. You must buy a ticket for entry and line up. That's how the water comes down. Just down to that garden we saw a moment ago. The Alcazaba stands on the base of a hill within the city. Originally, it defended the city from the incursions of pirates. Set with multiple walls, the Alcazaba is connected to the hilltop redoubt or castillo, behind it by a steep, covered walkway. Numerous gates must be negotiated before access to the main palace and gardens. Fabulous shady courtyards and stunning Islamic architecture leave you in wonder at the opulence of the past. Here we go on the walk up to the castle, past the Alcazar where we've just been. Keeping an eye out. Dominating the city is the Castillo di Gibralfaro. The castillo dates back to the 10th century and is famous for a 3-month siege by the Moors against the Catholics. The occupants eventually surrendered due to hunger. Truly spectacular views in all directions makes this alone worthwhile. A small museum houses military artifacts from its history. The track is steep and could be treacherous when wet, but if you have the energy, it is a must-see. Malaga is Spain's 6th largest city and sits on the Costa del Sol, or Coast of the Sun. Spanning 2,800 years, Malaga's history is complex. The Phoenicians used the port in the millennia before Christ. Ancient Carthage ruled for 4 centuries before their nemesis the Romans took over in 218 BC. After brief Visigothic control, Malaga fell under Islamic rule in the 8th century until it fell to the Christians of Castile in 1487. Parts, Jenny. This is the what tower?
The White Tower.
The White Tower. It dominates the city. Look at this. I mean, you can see in people's windows from up here. This is rude. Look at it. So in summary of what we did over 3 days in Malaga, we did Old Town, to wander about and just find coffee and tapas, which is a great experience. We visited the Roman amphitheatre, we wandered around the Alcazar, we climbed up into the Castillo, we also explored the beach and the marina, and of course we visited the Pablo Picasso Museum.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next instalment.